we got TXT in the building. Love language. Now I heard good things about this already. Dre gonna be pausing on this. I'm not gonna be pausing on this. What? You better stop. What makes you say I gotta pause on this? I got the strength of God on my side. Anyways, let's get into this. TXT love language. Okay. Learning. We learning. Okay. It's going well so far. Okay, vocals. Woo. Hey, oh. They swimming in a full clothes? All of your scenes in my world, I only react to you. Oh! Peace minus one mention. Damn, feet's out and everything. What's up? How you doing, sir? I already paused. God damn it. Okay. Hey, I felt that. I felt that. I felt that. You know, when we're vertically challenged, they understand. Vertically challenged people, sometimes we can't reach the top of the shelf. So we need to find step ups. That's a nice looking piece of bread, by the way. Oh yeah, that's all you need? There's a ladder right behind you. Oh, very summary. My love language is I do love like compliment. No, well boy, if you don't, you can get to know me. Food. Okay, I'll teach you. I will. Deeper. What the hell are you saying? Okay, apples. We love apples. The beat's quite interesting. Okay. Hey, don't be staring at me like that. Can you read my mind? Why he pointing at him? What's your love language? What is it? What's your love language? Let me know. Ooh. They really be wearing like these shirts that are like don't fit them on purpose, I feel. I can't relate. Can't have my belly out hanging out. Oh damn, take me on a date first. Oh, look, they're all blue. Okay, vocals. Oh my god. Sorry, that's my bias right there. I know that shit was for me, not you. That was for me. I'ma live in my deluded life. Delulu life. Yes, sir. How you doing? My name. What's your name? Oh, Yunjun. My name is Dre.
Okay.
So you got a little daisy you got there for me or something like.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Hey. Oh. Hey. What is? They really want to know. You better stop. I didn't want to get attacked by you, but I guess we being attacked. Teach you what? I will. I'll teach you more. I love your hair, by the way. Why is Subin trying to attack people, huh? Why is the gentle giant attacking people and stuff? He didn't have to attack. That was nearly at the end. That's diabolical. All of them. I'm gonna call your parents. I'm gonna call your parents like, your son has been just diabolical with the lifted of the. He's getting naked. Your son's getting naked. You need to handle him. He's a problem.
Teach me all about your love language.
And the eyebrows, bro. Them eyebrows too much sometimes.
좀 깊이 알고 싶은 너의 language.
Subin, you have been seen.
All about your love language. 좀 깊이 알고 싶은 너의 language. What's your language?
Cute. That was dope. That was dope. Love Language by TXT, y'all. Let's go. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe to your boy. Y'all already know. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.